Greetings from LBI, New Jersey. This is Jim Ferg from MarineMax, and this is the MarineMax Sailfish 320 fish team boat. Here we are at the bow of the Sailfish 320 center console. You have your windlass, pop-up light, pop-up cleats, and this boat is equipped with rod holders up in the bow. Here we are at the bow. We have fish boxes matching port and starboard. You have an in-floor storage area. You have the forward seating on this boat with backrest. It could be a backrest, or it also serves as your bolster while you're fishing. We have our Yeti cooler in front of the console. Inside the console, we have a nice head compartment. Because this is our MarineMax fish boat from Sailfish. We're sponsored by Ray Marine. This boat is equipped very well with Ray Marine electronics. You have two 12-inch displays, touch screen. You have an autopilot. You have a multi-gauge, you have a VHF, and on top there's an open array radar. Helm seat, we have our rocket launcher down below and our rocket launcher up high. The boat is equipped with the tackle station, our in-floor fish box, rod holders along the transom, a live well. Over here we have a freshwater shower. Again, because this is our MarineMax fish team boat, we have additional rod holders throughout the boat. We have additional spreader lights that they put on for us at our request. We have the Taco Grand Slam 380 Outriggers. Because this is our team boat, we have a 3-piece acrylic enclosure, windshield, and we have a curtain package. The curtain package comes down here, comes back, it's a wing, and then another piece comes right from here to the gunnel. Extremely protected. It's equipped with the Mercury 350s. They're the Verados, very quiet, very economical, and very fast. This is Jim Ferg from MarineMax, Long Beach Island. And this has been our MarineMax fish team boat from Sailfish. 320cc with Mercury Verado 350s. And you can contact me about this or any other Sailfish boat from MarineMax at 609-494-2102. Thank you.